Alright, here's a Sharp model lc42sb456u. This thing works perfectly, except for sometimes it comes on and sometimes it does not come on. You plug it in, nothing happens. You wait for a while, the little red light comes on and you can turn it on. We played it for hours, for minutes, and it'll go off after a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back off of this thing. Alright. Alright. You're going to have to take out at least these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 10 of those. Sometimes you have to take this off and sometimes you do not, the stand. So let's see what goes down with this thing. Alright, here's inside the TV. You also have to take 4 screws out around these HDMI connectors, and you have to take that one out that's right between those RCA connectors, and you do have to take the base off. So the 4 screws right in the center of the bottom where the base is, you have to take those off to get the back of it off. I hate when you have to do that. See how that, it's all plastic, it goes down. That plastic sits between this metal and that case, so yeah, you gotta take it off. Sort of sad. I'm looking at it, I don't see no, oh yeah, I see a bulge capacitor right there. That's awesome, because that means I can probably repair this easy enough. So we're going to take the power board off. You don't want to mess these connectors up when you pull them off. That thing almost looks like one piece. Well, that cord looks like it's freaking trapped to the board. So does this one and this one, so I guess you have to take it off over here. They're not trapped. Pretty stuck on there though. And this one. So for this one, I'm going to have to cut these tabs. That's a little weird. Not normal, but I guess I got to do what I got to do. Let's see here. 2 screws around the power connector. Hope that don't make that pop. Oh. Oh no, there's 1 screw. The other screw is in there backwards, so I'm going to forget about that one for the moment. There's another screw beside that, and then the one way over here on the end. And I gotta find something to get these, get some capacitors out of. Sometimes they put sticky stuff on the back of these boards to help the middle of them stay stuck. Oh, well, I guess I don't have to take that other piece off. It was just Not wanting to come off there very easy. But you don't have to take that bottom piece off. Happy, happy. Joy, 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 joy. Take all these screws out for nothing. Now what we got to do is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this capacitor here, it's pretty bulged. All the other ones look flat enough. No burnt spots on the back. I don't know about that one. Let's see what number capacitor. 16 volt 27UF. Alright. Well, there's your power board out.